Just got a weather alert on my phone. It's supposed to be a blizzard warning tonight. We'll see what happens. It's going to be a lot of snow. We're going to go ahead and add the lamb meat at this point. Add some carrots and loads of onions. Spice things up with some jalapenos. Hey, does it smell like burning feathers in here? Yeah, it does. Reaching for a piece of wood and I brushed against the stove. Ugh. That's the big downside of these hot tents. You're in a very confined space with a very hot item. Stuff gets burned all the time. Soup's getting close to done, so I'm going to go ahead and add my garlic. And I'm going to throw in green onions. Alright, just put a little cilantro and basil in there. A beautiful lamb stew. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good.